Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find your Spotify Wrapped on Spotify. Your 2024 Spotify Wrapped, here we go. Where it is that it's on the top part of your homepage. So you're just going to select Wrapped here, select it, and as you can see, there's your 2024 Wrapped. Jump into your year in audio. When you are done, you're going to select Let's Go. And here is my 2024 Spotify Wrapped. Just gonna skip through it. I played 978 songs this year, and one song again and again and again and again. So let's see what song I played a lot this year. Okay, my top song was I Hate It Here by Taylor Swift. Oh my god, I played this song a lot because I really do hate it here sometimes. I streamed it that much starting on April 19. Commitment never sounded so good. This is a really good song, by the way, if you haven't listened to it. While it's not a competition, there is a leaderboard. Okay, my top songs is I Hate It Here, 4th of July, How to Save a Life, Scott Street, and Lights Are On. Wow, those are all sad songs. You've changed, and so has your listening. Let's look at your 2024 music evolution. Okay. So I think I started from April. Is where I started this listening thing. I don't know. April was your rainy day duduk Indonesian indie phase. You were really into artists like Sal Priadi, Nadine. I can't say that. Okay. I can pronounce it, I meant. Okay, on June, let's see. Pink and yellow, so cute. June was your Pink Pilates Princess Strut Pop season. Artists like Taylor Swift, Sabrina Carpenter, and Chapel Rowan. Okay, cool. I listened to 647 artists, very versatile. I wonder who. I think Taylor Swift, obviously. Every year, it's gonna be Taylor Swift. Is my top artist of every year. Probably top artist of my life, not gonna lie. Yes, I'm a top 5% because I do listen to music, but sometimes I'm just too busy for it. Who else got a lot of play this year? Thinking Sabrina Carpenter. Big reveal in 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Okay, Taylor Swift, Nicki, Sabrina Carpenter, SZA, and Billie Eilish. I thought I was gonna get Chapel Rowan in there, but oh look, it's we have company. Oh my god, it's Taylor Swift. I knew it. Okay. Anyways, I think that's it. That's the wrap for my Spotify Wrapped. Hopefully you guys also got your Spotify Wrapped, and yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!